I'm Lorna Kleidman, and this is Kettlebell Sport Basics. In this session, we're going to go over the long cycle, which combines swing clean and jerk. If you haven't already seen the two videos for swing clean and jerk, please view them before you get into the long cycle because there's a lot of information there. There are details that you're going to want to know before you put the movements together. The swing clean, whether with one bell or two, gets 3 exhales. Then in your rack, you're going to settle your arms into your obliques. The hips are forward, so the weight is resting on your hips. Your trunk is concave and your back is wide, so this is a very comfortable position. Then you're going to do your first step, that hinge, bending the knees, keeping the arms on the body. So the first dip gets an exhale, then you're going to go up into the under squat. The under squat is where the bells should fixate. Then straighten, exhale, extra exhale, and then drop with a sigh. Let's do a couple more times with the jerk. One more time. Now, with the long cycle, we're going to go into a swing clean after the jerk, but you're not going to rest in the rack after you do the jerk. You're going to let gravity help you and just cascade out of the rack with the bells and let the bells go into the next swing clean. So it'll look like this. So the only rack position that you're resting in is after the swing clean. You can rest here, rest your arms, keep breathing until your next first dip, where you're going to bring the bell into the jerk again. As I have noted before, when the bell goes away from you, whether in the swing clean or snatch, you don't want to flex over with the bell. You want to deflect a little bit. So after the jerk, when it falls and you let it cascade forward, you're going to deflect your trunk slightly. Breathe as much as you want. First dip gets an exhale. Deflect. One more time. Deflect. So it's here as opposed to here, right? I know I'm exaggerating, but you know what I mean. Don't flex over with the bell. A little bit away from it and then flex over, and the wrist or the wrists, if you're using 2 bells, connect to the crotch. All right. That's the breathing. Practice long sets with light bells. Get all of those breaths in because the breathing is the partner for your movements. Don't miss them. Get them all in, and that will help you sustain many minutes, many reps at a time. Next session, we're going to put together some accessory drills for the long cycle. I'll see you then.